Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start on the Surface. Open Settings, go to System and enable projecting to this PC so it accepts incoming displays. Make sure the Surface is awake and signed and projection won't connect to a locked session. Once done, confirm both machines share the same private network and that any VPN or strict firewall is off. Now move to your main PC and prepare to initiate a wireless projection using the Connect/Project feature. That begins the actual link between devices. On your main PC, press Windows+K or open the Connect panel to list nearby Miracast receivers. Select the Surface's name. Choose Extend rather than Duplicate so the Surface becomes a second monitor you can drag Windows to. If the Surface doesn't appear, open the Connect app there or recheck that projecting to this PC is enabled and that both devices share the same network. After pairing, Windows will add the Surface as a display. You can now adjust resolution and scale. Finish by opening display settings on your main PC. Drag the monitor icons to match physical layout, set which screen is primary, and adjust resolution/scale so UI looks crisp on the Surface. For smoother motion, lower the resolution or refresh rate and close CPU/GPU heavy apps. If connection is unstable, update Wi-Fi and graphics drivers, confirm both devices are on a private network, reboot both machines, and temporarily disable VPN or firewall.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.